When you first log into your Feature Flags Playground, you're presented with two primary areas of information: the Feature Development Walkthrough and the Feature Flag Dashboard. If you're new to Feature Flags, integrating Feature Flags into your product development lifecycle can be a little bit of a mystery. The walkthrough aims to handhold you through the development of a new feature and then illustrate how you can safely and gradually release that feature to your user base. The Feature Flags dashboard gives you the list of features, the type of feature flag, Boolean, number, string, etc., a high-level sense of how many variants are available within each feature flag. You can see that Boolean feature flags only have 2 variants, whereas a numeric feature flag could have any number of variants. And then you can see the list of environments in which the feature flags are configured. While the list of feature flags is shared across environments, configuration of the feature flags are environment specific, which is why we can see here in the development environment, none of the rules are enabled. But in the production environment, some of the rules are enabled. And because some of the rules are enabled, we can see that the allocation of variants is different in the production environment than it is in the development environment. These colored bars here are an attempt to show you the relative distribution of variants across the demo user population. The Feature Flags Playground has about 106 demo users that you can use in your targeting rules. So we can see that 100% of users are getting the second variant, the green variant. In the development environment, maybe 40% of users in the production environment are receiving the first variant, and 60% of users are receiving the second variant in the production environment. Down below the list of feature flags, you'll see a suggested cleanup section. And this says that the product ticket 888 branding refresh may be viable for cleanup. And if we look at this row here, you can see that in both the development environment and the production environment, 100% of users are all receiving the same variant, which may indicate that the feature has been fully fleshed out, fully released, and now the additional logic required by the feature flag can be removed from your application, essentially committing to whatever the feature flag was previously gating. In addition to this, you have options to add a feature flag, remove all rules, or reset your settings to the initial state of the Feature Flags Playground. So as you go in and mess with settings, delete feature flags, add rules, remove rules, disable targeting, and so on, you can always come back and reset your settings, and it'll end up looking exactly like this. So have fun and experiment, and hopefully try to get a better understanding of how feature flags completely change the way you think about product development.